Good morning, teacher. Talking about myself. My name is Angie Paola Castañeda. I am married. I am from Econonso, Tolima. I am 25 years old. I am farm, work, and student. I am studying at UNAD. I live in Junín. In my free time, I like to practice soccer. Talking about my city town. What are main touristic places in this city town? The main touristic place in city are the Iglesia de la Virgen del Rosario, the Peak of the King, the Looker, the Park, the Looker, Ararat Park, the Red Lagoon. What is the typical food in city in the typical food in your city? The typical food in my city is cornbread, pumpkin tamale, corn scone y masato. What are celebrations in your city town? The main celebration in my city are the Feast of the Virgin of the Rosary, town fairs and festivals. What activities can you do in your city town? In my city, can ride a bicycle, play soccer, and share ice cream with my family. Thank you.